How to become a notary in Michigan in 2026. Simple process, long commission. Michigan makes it easy to become a notary. No exam is required, no education courses needed, and the commission lasts an impressive 6 years, one of the longest in the country. The application fee is just $10. You do need a $10,000 surety bond, which typically costs $30 to $75 for the full 6-year term. Michigan recently modernized its notary laws with Public Act 246 of 2023, which took effect in January 2024, introducing remote online notarization. You must be at least 18, a Michigan resident, or regularly employed in Michigan, and have no felony convictions involving dishonesty in the past 10 years. Here's the step-by-step process. Step 1. Meet eligibility requirements. Age 18 or older, Michigan resident or employed in Michigan, able to read and write English. Step 2. Obtain your $10,000 surety bond before applying. Step 3. Complete the application through the Michigan Secretary of State, paying the $10 filing fee. Step 4. Receive your commission approval. Step 5. Take the oath of office within 90 days. Step 6. Purchase your notary stamp and begin notarizing. The entire process typically takes 4 to 6 weeks. Michigan's 2024 Notary Law Update brought some important changes. Remote online notarization is now authorized, allowing you to notarize documents via video conference. Michigan has no state-mandated maximum fees, giving you flexibility in pricing. The new law requires electronic journals for electronic notarizations and strengthened record-keeping requirements. For income potential, Michigan's strong real estate market means high demand for notary signing agents. You can earn $75 to $200 per loan signing. The 6-year commission means less hassle with renewals compared to states with 4-year terms. Ready to become a Michigan notary? Visit openexamprep.com for free notary resources and study guides. If you're in a state that requires an exam, our practice tests are completely free.